Welcome to the exciting world of online monetization, where you can earn passive income. So what exactly does this mean? Well, one key method of online monetization is through affiliate marketing, a performance-based strategy in which individuals or affiliates promote products or services for a business or brand. These affiliates are then rewarded with a commission for every sale, lead, or click they generate through their promotional efforts, much like a finder's fee for connecting a business with its customers. This practice operates on the principle of revenue sharing. Businesses are more than happy to share a portion of their profits with affiliates who can draw customer traffic and boost sales. It's a win-win situation where businesses enjoy increased sales, while affiliates earn from the comfort of their own platforms. Crucial component in the world of online monetization is affiliate networks, which act as go-betweens for businesses and affiliates. They provide a platform where businesses can offer their affiliate programs, and affiliates can discover and participate in these programs. Some notable affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. Now let's talk about commission structures. There are three key types: pay-per-sale, pay-per-lead, and pay-per-click. Pay-per-sale earns you a commission when a customer you referred makes a purchase. Pay-per-lead pays you when a referred customer performs a specific action, such as signing up for a trial or filling out a form. Finally, pay-per-click pays you for every click that guides a customer to the business's website. These various structures allow you to choose the best fit based on your platform and audience. For instance, if you run a review blog, a pay-per-sale structure might be more profitable, while a pay-per-click structure could work well for a high-traffic website. Now that you understand what online monetization entails, let's delve into how you can get started. Embarking on your online monetization venture begins with finding suitable programs and products to promote. Imagine yourself as a bridge. On one side, you have the creators of products or services, and on the other side, you have consumers looking for those exact products or services. Your role as an online marketer is to connect these two sides. But before you can build this bridge, you need to know where to set your foundations. This is where the process of researching the market comes into play. It's essential to understand the landscape you're about to enter. This means identifying popular trends, understanding what consumers are currently interested in, and recognizing the products or services that are in high demand. There's a world of resources at your fingertips for this. Online market research tools, forums, social media trends, and even your own observations can help you gauge what's hot and what's not in the market. Remember, knowledge is power, and with this power you can make informed decisions about which niches to target. Speaking of niches, let's delve into that a bit. A niche is a specialized segment of the market. It's like finding your own little corner in a large bookstore. You want to select a niche that's profitable but also aligns with your interests or expertise. This is because you'll likely be more passionate and knowledgeable about the products or services you'll promote, leading to a more authentic connection with your audience. Now that researched the market and selected your niche, it's time to identify the products or services that align with your audience's interests and needs. This is where monetization programs come into the picture. These programs act as a gateway to a variety of products or services that you can promote. When choosing a monetization program, consider factors like the product's quality, its relevance to your chosen niche, the credibility of the brand, and of course the commission structure. You want to ensure that the product you're promoting is something you genuinely believe in, as this will reflect in your promotional efforts and ultimately your success as an online marketer. In getting started with online monetization is a journey of discovery. You're discovering what the market needs, what your audience wants, and how you can bridge the gap between the two. It's about finding opportunities in the vast digital marketplace and positioning yourself as the go-to source for valuable solutions. With your monetization programs and products in place, it's time to explore strategies to promote them effectively. And remember, the key to effective promotion lies not just in the products you choose, but also in how you present them to your audience. But more on that in the next scene. For now, take a moment to let all this information sink in. You're well on your way to becoming an online monetization maestro. Promoting products online requires strategic planning and the right marketing channels. Once you've chosen the products or services you'd like to promote online, the next move is to spread the word. But what's the best way to do this? Multiple marketing channels are available to you, each boasting its own unique benefits. Let's kick off with social media. Living in this digital era, platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook have become formidable tools for reaching a vast audience. These platforms enable you to share captivating content, interact with your followers, and promote your products in a more casual, conversational manner. Remember, it's crucial to ensure your posts are genuine and align with your audience's interests. You don't want to seem overly promotional. Email marketing is another potent channel. By curating an email list, you can send occasional updates, promotional deals, and personalized messages directly to your audience's inboxes. This direct line of communication can be extremely effective in driving conversions. However, be cautious of your frequency. An influx of emails can lead to unsubscribes. Blogging also serves as a great method to promote online products. You can write comprehensive product reviews, craft how-to guides, or share personal experiences using the product. The goal here is to offer valuable content that assists your readers in making informed purchasing decisions. Moreover, SEO-optimized blog posts can direct organic traffic to your site, enhancing your chances of making a sale. And we can't forget about YouTube. Being the world's second-largest search engine, YouTube presents a colossal platform for promoting products online. You can develop product reviews, tutorials, or even unboxing videos. The visual nature of YouTube content allows your audience to witness the product in action, which can be a compelling motivator for purchases. Regardless of the marketing channel you pick, generating compelling content is paramount. You aim to engage your audience, pique their interest, and make them curious about the product. Use storytelling techniques, integrate visuals, and always aim to provide value. But promoting products online isn't merely about broadcasting the message. It's also about persuading your audience that your recommendations are worth considering. That's where trust and credibility step in. By consistently offering valuable content, being open about your affiliations, and genuinely addressing your audience's needs, you can establish a robust personal brand that your followers trust. Remember, success in online product promotion doesn't happen overnight. It demands patience, persistence, and a lot of trial and error. But with the right strategy and the right mindset, you can transform your online platform into a business. While promoting products is vital, building a strong personal brand can significantly enhance your success. Tuned as we delve into the significance of personal branding in the next section. In online monetization, your personal brand plays a critical role in establishing credibility and trust with your audience. A robust personal brand in the world of online monetization is more than just having a distinctive logo or a catchy slogan. It's about crafting a regular image that signifies your principles, your proficiency, and your unique viewpoint. It's about being genuine, dependable, and open in every interaction. When you're endorsing products or services, your audience isn't merely purchasing a product, they're investing in a connection with you. They're putting their trust in your judgment, your suggestions, and your honesty. Therefore, it's essential that you construct a personal brand that resonates with your audience and encourages them to make purchasing decisions based on your advice. So, how do you go about establishing such a brand? Firstly, comprehend your audience. Uncover their needs, their wishes, their problems. Show them that you understand their issues and that you're here to offer solutions. Secondly, maintain consistency. Regularity in your messaging, your visuals, your principles, and your communication style is crucial in constructing a reputable personal brand. Next, contribute value. Don't merely endorse products, provide beneficial content, share insights, give advice. Show your audience that you're not just here to sell, but to assist. Moreover, ensure transparency. If you're endorsing a product, disclose your relationship with the company. Honesty is always the best practice in online monetization, and your audience will value your openness. Lastly, show patience. Constructing a robust personal brand doesn't occur instantly. It's a journey that demands time, effort, and persistence. Remember, your personal brand is your commitment to your audience. It's what differentiates you in the congested world of online monetization. It's what makes you, you. A robust personal brand can take you a long way, but be ready to face obstacles along your online monetization journey. Like any venture, online monetization comes with its own set of challenges and pitfalls. It's a journey that can be rewarding yet demanding, with hurdles that can sometimes seem insurmountable. But fear not, as every challenge, when faced with determination and the right strategies, can be turned into an opportunity for growth and learning. One of the most common challenges in online monetization is finding the right products or services to promote. This can be particularly tricky because you want to choose items that not only appeal to your audience but also align with your brand and values. The key to overcoming this challenge lies in doing thorough market research. Understand your audience's needs and preferences, seek out products or services that meet these needs, and make sure they resonate with your brand's ethos. Another challenge that many beginners face is generating traffic to their platforms. After all, the more traffic you have, the higher your chances of making a profit. A solid strategy to conquer this challenge involves leveraging various marketing channels to reach a wider audience. Utilize social media, email marketing, and content marketing to engage your audience and drive them to your platform. Staying relevant and competitive in the ever-evolving digital landscape is yet another challenge. Trends change, new products emerge, and audience preferences shift. To stay ahead of the curve, make it a habit to monitor market trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. Keep your content fresh and engaging, and always be on the lookout for new products and opportunities. Then, there's the challenge of managing expectations. It's important to remember that success in online monetization doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and hard work. Don't be disheartened if you don't see instant results. Keep refining your strategies, learning from your mistakes, and celebrating your small victories along the way. Lastly, maintaining motivation can be a challenge, especially when you're faced with setbacks. Just remember, every successful online entrepreneur has been in your shoes at one point or another. They too faced challenges, overcame obstacles, and learned from their failures. Use stories as inspiration and keep your end goal in sight. In the face of these challenges, it's crucial to stay resilient, adaptable, and persistent. Remember, every challenge you encounter is an opportunity to learn something new, to grow, and to become a more successful entrepreneur. And most importantly, don't forget to enjoy the journey. After all, the joy of pursuing something you're passionate about is what makes the challenges worthwhile. Remember, every challenge is a stepping stone to your success in online monetization. Embrace the challenges, learn from them, and let them guide you on your path to becoming a successful online entrepreneur. As we wrap up this video, it's crystal clear that online monetization presents a plethora of opportunities for expansion and progression. We voyage through the intriguing realm of online monetization, unveiling its core principles and investigating the potential it possesses for individuals such as bloggers, social media influencers, and content creators. We initiated by interpreting online monetization, spotlighting its operation through various channels which serve as the vital link between advertisers and publishers. We also illuminated commonly used revenue models, namely pay-per-sale, pay-per-lead, and pay-per-click, each with its distinctive characteristics. Venturing forward, we delved into the hands-on steps of getting off the ground with online monetization. We stressed the significance of discovering appropriate programs and products that resonate with your audience's interests and needs. In addition, we shared valuable insights into market research and the selection of profitable niches, vital steps in setting the stage for successful monetization. We then traversed the wide assortment of marketing channels at your disposal, from social media and email marketing to blogging and YouTube. We offered pragmatic tips on crafting captivating content that not only enthralls your audience, but also nudges them towards making purchasing decisions. At the heart of our discussion was the importance of establishing a robust personal brand in the online monetization industry. We emphasized the need to build credibility and trust with your audience, nurturing an atmosphere where they feel at ease making purchasing decisions based on your endorsements. Finally, we tackled common obstacles beginners might encounter in their online monetization journey, providing counsel on overcoming these obstacles, managing expectations, and staying driven. Remember, each obstacle is a stepping stone towards more remarkable success. Essentially, online monetization is a gratifying venture that demands a profound comprehension of its dynamics, a sharp eye for market trends, and a strong personal brand. With persistence and the right tactics, it's a route that can lead to significant growth and passive income. With this wisdom, you're now prepared to embark on your online monetization journey. Plunge into this thrilling world and start monetizing your online presence today. All right, Now that we've armed you with all the necessary knowledge, it's time to dive headfirst into the action-packed world of online monetization. Picture yourself in a high-speed chase through the digital landscape, your eyes on the prize, a profitable and sustainable online business. The road is winding and full of potential pitfalls, but don't worry, you're not alone in this race. We're right here with you, providing you with the tools and strategies you need to navigate this terrain. Picture the obstacles as they approach: a challenging niche, a competitive market, a reluctant audience, but you're ready. You've got your market research, your chosen products, your marketing channels. You maneuver around these obstacles with skill and precision, your momentum never faltering. But wait, what's that up ahead? It's a huge wall, the biggest challenge yet, building a personal brand. But you're prepared. You've got your unique voice, your authentic self, your audience's trust. You rev up your engine, take a deep breath, and soar over the wall, landing smoothly on the other side. And there it is, the finish line, a successful online monetization venture. You cross it with a triumphant smile, your heart racing with the thrill of achievement. You've done it. You've navigated the complex world of online monetization, and you've come out on top. That's all for this thrilling ride, folks, but the action doesn't stop here. Stay tuned as we bring you more insights, more strategies, and more success stories in the world of online monetization. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity, every setback a lesson, so buckle up and enjoy the ride. Back for more action? Let's go. Now that you've overcome the initial hurdles and built your personal brand, it's time to climb the ranks in the competitive world of online monetization. Imagine yourself as a mountain climber, with each rung of the ladder representing a new milestone in your affiliate marketing journey. As you ascend, the competition gets fiercer. You look around and see others racing to the top, but you're not deterred. You have your unique brand, your loyal audience, and your unwavering determination. You keep climbing, your eyes fixed on the peak, the pinnacle of success in online monetization. There may be times when you slip, when a rung breaks or your grip falters, but you remember the lessons from your previous challenges and use them to propel yourself forward. You find new footholds, create innovative strategies, and continue your ascent. Finally, you reach the peak. You've done it. You've climbed to the top of the competitive world of online monetization. You stand tall, victorious, taking in the breathtaking view of your achievements. The journey has been tough, but the reward is worth it. And that's a wrap on our action-packed journey. We've climbed mountains, navigated tricky terrains, and emerged victorious. But remember, the world of online monetization is always evolving, always presenting new challenges and opportunities. So stay prepared, stay hungry, and most importantly, stay tuned. Until next time, happy climbing.